So, what I figure we should do today is, since I'm having a real good day, we should spread that goodness, make others feel good as well. And what we're gonna do, we are skating around and feeding the birds. Let's make sure that the birds have a good day as well. So found some food for myself, beef burger and water, and some food for the birds. Oh shit, a lot of seeds and yeah, several kilos. So after this, after I've eaten, we're heading out to feed the birds. And yeah, let's make this a good day for everybody. Hello and welcome to almost summer in Norway. It's 15 degrees Celsius and it's the hottest day so far this year. And the weather forecast is predicting summer weather basically from now on, which means that we can pretty much head out to skate or skate across Europe for a new world record now, because the weather allows us to do so. And I have everything I need. All the preparations are made, and basically all I've been doing is waiting for the weather to come so we can cross Europe on this skateboard. And now the weather is here, so yeah, new plans. We're not waiting until mid of May. We're actually leaving now on Monday. How do I say? Bring you along with me during my preparations to set a new world record in long distance skating. And yeah, just get to know you guys a little bit more before we leave. To be honest, I'm very excited. I barely sleep. So yeah, I feel like a little kid again before Christmas. Oh, while these MBS wheels are really good, they do struggle to skate across grass like this, but it does work. It works surprisingly well, but it's a little bit soggy. I could see myself get really tired from doing this over a longer period, but it works. And if you wonder about the homemade looking kicktail, it's because it's actually is homemade and it's not functional. But now I don't have to look like a dork picking up my deck. I can just do this. Boom. Now we'll just park here and yeah, we're just gonna walk around and spread the bird seeds, because I know there's a lot of birds living here on the graveyard. So yeah, let's spoil them a little bit. So one of the reasons I really like to do stuff like this, like feeding the animals, taking care of hurt animals, and generally just taking care of nature, is because I feel like us as a conscious species, or us as human beings, do have a certain responsibility to take care of those who cannot take care of themselves. And some may just call that survival of the fittest, or natural selection, or say that's just nature. But I feel like survival of the fittest is garbage when compassion is involved. And that's one of the reasons I'm gonna skate to Greece for a new world record as well, because I want to take charge for what I believe in, you know? I don't want to sit on the sidelines anymore and just complain about how imperfect the world is and how much I wish it was different. I want to be the change I want to see in the world myself, you know?
Du må
Weißt du, was das Race?
Nei takk. Was probably practice for 17th of May. In Norway, 17th of May is the national day, so it's a huge folk fest or party in the streets. Yeah, and there's a lot of parades and stuff going on, so yeah, it was probably practice for that. I could just melt away now. That's that. We've been out for 3 to 4 hours now, feeding various groups of pigeons and birds, some corvids as well. I actually brought some sausage that I fed to my local magpie and crow friends, which I've been feeding all for about a year now. So yeah, we've been out feeding a lot of birds today. Hopefully we made the day a little bit easier for some groups of birds. Life is not easy for birds, especially not pigeons. Pigeons actually do not know how to survive without human help. So it's up to us to keep them alive and help them the best we can. I feel a little bit helpless sometimes because there's so many hungry birds and so many hurt animals. And I, as one person, it's a limit to what I can do all alone. It's necessary and it needs to be done. And that's one of the reasons really why I'm heading out on this trip. It's why we are skating from Norway to Greece and back for a new world record, because I want to shed some light on this problem. Because like I said, it's a limit to what I can do all alone to help these creatures that needs our help. And yeah, so we're setting a new world record to shed some light on the pigeons that needs help. So yeah, with that said, thank you for watching. If you want to support the cause of helping these pigeons, I'll post a link in the description below here. You can donate anything help. The money goes straight to the Pigeon Patrol, or it's a charity that helps pigeons survive, and they do God's work, and I really want to support them. Anyway, thank you for watching, and see you soon.